billions of people have enjoyed eating rice as a staple diet for centuries. It's easier to cook rice than to make bread at home. Purchased bread is typically full of preservatives, additives, and other chemicals, making rice appear to be a healthier alternative. But recent studies show that the consumption of white rice increases the risk of diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, and weight gain. When cooking rice with a conventional rice cooker, unhealthy starch is retained, making it score high on the glycemic index. While convenient conventional rice cookers heat rice to boiling and continue to boil until all the water evaporates, leaving behind extra starch for us to eat. After years of research and technological innovation, Grayns has created a revolutionary rice cooker that is convenient and helps you enjoy healthier, guilt-free rice at home through its innovative 4-stage cooking process, RevoCook. Depending on the rice you use, with RevoCook, you'll have better tasting and healthier rice within 30 to 40 minutes through our 4-stage cooking process. ThermoSense slowly gelatinizes rice at precise temperatures to release unhealthy, rapidly digested starch into the water while retaining nutrients. Debond holds the optimal gelatinization temperature, compelling most of the unhealthy, rapidly digested starch out of the rice. Transsued, unhealthy, rapidly digested starch is transuded to be drained away into the Grayns starch collection tray underneath. Finally, Grayns demoisturizes the excess water from the healthy cooked rice to make it fluffy and delicious. An iodine test of the water in the starch collector shows that it's full of starch. The iodine turns blue-black when it comes in contact with the starch. Moreover, rice grown in certain countries have a high level of arsenic due to the soil or use of chemical pesticides. A study done at Queen's University in Belfast by Professor Andrew Maharg showed that the RevoCook process can remove the arsenic found in rice. Computer automated, the Grayns RevoCook process is housed inside food-grade stainless steel components like basket, funneled inner container, and steel ball, is free from any kind of metal toxicity, keeping your food safe and clean while removing up to 35% of the extra starch in your food. For the first time in the 5-decade history of the automatic rice cooker, Grayns has invented and pioneered the technology of the starch-reducing rice cooker. So buy from the pioneer and get the original, most effective starch-reducing rice cooker. Be the first to own the Grayns revolutionary rice cooker now. Share with your friends and enjoy its convenience and health benefits.